spite of all my skill, she stole my heart away, when taking over here, reeling on the green. Love lifts a long stick flame, and wanton in her ear. Without the elbow heart, like flowers that grace the wand, she did her sweets impart. Whene'er she spoke or smiled, her looks they were simple, free from affected pride. She needed not be kind. I wished her for my bride. Oh, had I all the wealth of towns, high mountains fair, ensured long life and health, and pleasure at my will, I'd promise and fulfill that none but Bonnie she, the lass of Betty's mill, should share the sin with me.